My name is Claire Deering, and I'm the founder of the Dinosaur Protection Group. So this is a velociraptor. So many people loved Jurassic World. And when you say to them, when was the first time that you saw a dinosaur? I mean, you just see them light up. Dinosaurs are all so different. There are so many different species of dinosaurs. My mission in life is to ensure the safety and protection of these animals. What are you going to do to make sure that your children have the same experience that you did?
Tons of TNT.
You can help ensure their survival. Go to our website, browse around, sign up for our newsletter. Are you going to be a part of the generation who decided to have dinosaurs go extinct? Or will you be on board with making sure that dinosaurs can stay alive for future generations?
High fives, everybody!
We must save the dinosaurs.
Save the dinosaurs!
Do you remember the first time you saw a dinosaur?
Ain't blue.
You don't really believe it. It's like a miracle. Something's coming.
It's a T-Rex. It's a T-Rex.
Stop! It's not a T-Rex.
Blue, come with me. You know you can't stay here.
Jurassic World, the island,
You're all right. Easy, girl.
all of that is in the past.
Am I dead? Not yet, kid.
I want to show you the future.
What is that thing?
They made it.
Blue. You need to get us out of here.
Yeah.